Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is T, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I preserve my hair curls at nighttime when I'm sleeping. 2 quick, easy methods that I have. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll just get right into it. So this is day 1 hair using Olaplex, so stay tuned for that video. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss that one. But so this hair is not as defined, but I still want to keep it, like, preserve this style. I actually really like it more than I thought I would. So at night, this is what I will do. Since it's day 1, usually between like day 1 and day 3 hair, I always put it up and into either a bonnet, just like regular smeggler bonnet, or this Grace Elay, I can never say it, Grace Elay cap. If you have not heard about these, they're silk on the inside. It's a hat. It's meant for like a hat. But I find that sleeping with this is just so good. Like, it never comes off my hair. It feels better than a bonnet to me. I don't know why, but I do prefer this one. But if I can't find this, a bonnet will suffice. Now that my hair is shorter, I no longer tie it up when it's in the bonnet or the cap, just because I find that it stretches the bottom way too much. So instead, I will just simply, I'm going to try to demonstrate this so that you can actually see it. I simply just flip my hair over and then tuck it all in, but make sure it's all going like upwards. That makes sense? Like this. So I take the bonnet, and flip, and we'll do with this little thing. And I just take it and kind of push it over my head, but I'm gonna push it all in like an upwards direction, even the back. Make sure nothing's smushed the wrong way so that curls aren't, colliding and whatnot. And then yeah, it's all in there. I probably look crazy, but this is how I do it. I literally just stick my hand up the back and kind of just pull it and fill it out, just so that you don't wake up and like your parts messed up or anything like that. This is the easiest way for me to do it. Sometimes if like some of my pieces are very shrunken, I'll just kind of like leave them out. But yeah, this is what I do for day 1 to like day 3 hair. No scrunchie anymore, just to avoid creasing and all that with my shorter hair. So I don't do that anymore, but this is how I do it with my shorter hair. And now for anything after day 3 hair, day 4, that's when my hair is like a lot more relaxed, stretched out. The wash and go is getting a little old, you know what I mean? So that is when I will not wear either the bonnet or the cap. I'll just throw that to the side, and I will take a scrunchie, preferably a like more loose one. You don't want it to be too tight, just to avoid overstretching your hair. And I just bring it all to the top, very loosely, very gently. And I take my scrunchie and I just, one time and one time only, I throw up in a pineapple. For example, this scrunchie is just a little bit too tight. Just throw it all to the top, 1 loop over, that's it. Don't be doing 2 and then just 1. And then I sleep on my silk pillowcase. And don't move off your silk pillowcase. No, don't do that. I just sleep on this, and that will be like my hair protection for the next few days until it's wash day again. Cool. So yeah, those are 2 simple methods that I use. Nothing more, nothing less. That's it. Either my bonnet or my little cap, and I will link this down below because these are bomb. They come in so many colors. Wear them as hats too. I've done that as well. Or my silk pillowcase. That's it. That's all I do at night to preserve my curls. Now that my hair is shorter, it's a lot easier to preserve my hair, if I'm being honest here, than it was when it was longer. So yeah, I hope you found that helpful. Let me know how you do it down below. If you do anything differently, or if you're gonna try it, let me know if it works, because I hope it does. I hope that helps you out. And I hope you're looking good, feeling good, and being good, because why not? Be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned to see how I got this big day 1 hair that I actually love. I'm going to be posting that video on Sunday. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!